Hey, what's happening, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your apps on your home screen when you hide them on accident. So we'll use the Splice app for example. Maybe when we wanted to delete it, maybe we just hit this by accident. Who knows how it happened? Let's say we pressed remove from home screen. Now two things have just happened. One, I didn't delete the app from my phone. It's still on the hard drive. And moreover, we also say we want to go back into the app through the home screen. How do I get the icon back? As you can see, we go to settings. And the Splice app's still there. If I go to the Apple Store, type in Splice. It says open because I still have it on my phone. So what's going on? How do I get it back to here? Well, I figured that out. The key is to go to settings. From settings, we go to general. From general, we go to reset. Now you want to see this option, reset home screen layout. Now when you press this, all the apps you may have hidden on accident will actually end up coming back onto your home screen. Reset home screen, I go out. Now do I have Splice? Let's take a look. As you can see, it completely changed up my whole format, but my Splice app is back. It's right here. So now all I have to do is rearrange my apps, organize it how I like, but at least after I hide it, which I'll show you one more time quickly. Move from home screen. It's now gone. How do I get it back? Settings, reset home screen layout. And here it is. So there you have it, people. Whenever you hide your apps on accident, just follow that quick process. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to reorganize your apps, but it's worth it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Talk to you later. Take care.